Don't betray today, rapping for VA today, ignoring what a hater say. Got my own lane, guess it's safe to say I paved the way. Playing like the Lakers back in '88, MJ fade away in '98. Safe to say that I am great. You could say I'm hungry, I could eat a lion's plate. I'm a carnivore, I said before. It's breakfast time, I'm spitting out metaphors. I guess I'm hella bored, or hella talented. Who else could flip this nigga tip shit like I done did? Do 2 songs before I hit the airport. In my wife beater, in my air shorts. Dre headphones, Trey head gone. Pick a line and it rhyme and it's dead homes. Cause I kill beats like a steel piece, and it's still peace if you don't feel me. Cause I'm still me, and I'm filthy, living my life until they kill me. Don't believe I'm dope, you must be smoking on that real D. This a real G you facing? No, not Mason. I am just amazing, skill and grace. Stay extra though, like episodes of Will and Grace. Smoking presidential while I chill, getting face. I'm so Bill Clinton, the head of my state. This ain't nothing new though, catch me out on Pluto. I'm out of this world, where in the world are you though? Somewhere back there, like backpack where my fans got me, they will never drop me. That's exactly why I say that they can never stop me. Everything I do is cold, Appalachians, Rockies. Mountaintops are cold as shit, let's just see how cold I get. Cause I'm going to the top, holler when you notice it. Bottle out, beat a lot, however the sample go.